Here's how to cool your home without air conditioning. A hot, stuffy apartment during a heat wave can be a real nightmare if you don't have AC. Luckily, there's a simple, tried and true method that will help you get through those scorching days and cool your space effectively. But before I show you this great idea, remember to avoid basic mistakes that make your place even hotter. Don't open your windows during the day, that just lets in hot air. Keep them covered with blinds or curtains to block the sun and reduce heat buildup. The best way to cool your home is to make your own DIY air conditioner. It's an inexpensive and easy trick that can make a big difference. Start by adding a tablespoon of table salt to a large container. Salt lowers the freezing point of water, so the saltwater ice cubes get colder than regular ice and melt more slowly. Next, pour in about a quart of water and stir until the salt dissolves. Pour the solution into ice cube trays and freeze it. Once the cubes are ready, drop them into a metal bowl and place it in front of a running fan. The air blowing over the ice will become noticeably cooler, spreading refreshing air throughout the room. It's a clever way to beat the heat even on the hottest days, without spending money on expensive equipment.